Until lawyer Maurice Ampaw, our legal practitioner, Abe clashing with Kevin Ekobedu Taylor for attacking, the Chief Justice, his Lordship, Justice Baffoe Boni. Also, Kevin Taylor can quasi me fano, all because Chief Justice actually said petitions are filed say you know any Mensa Eddie, then say any OSP infra kunyasono. It doesn't hold water. In you so be any to about to go. Kevin Taylor want to I'm a the Chief Justice attempt. No. And a lawyer Maurice Ampaw, Abe clash with Kevin, but we are matching the boot for boot. Remember to remove what you're watching, Amame. Ewa comment section. How you Penyah block media? Mess was said, need demo. Obe like if video, no that one, subscribe button, and back in the key notification, connect update about the watching the Amame. Ewa comment section. So, Basoa. Not sure for Spider be Asher. So, first of all, let me say a very big thank you to Wound to Me TV. The management of Wound to Me TV. And Ramen, who say, Bobia send a video, Amame. I say, me a video be concerning Chief Justice Baffoe Boni. And this is for food soldiers there omuye ye near the adon emma me hunu say enra during their program no Won't Meet TV and I say Won't Meet television station omu a feature me video in their program, and in fact it's such a beautiful thing to see as a blogger looking for ways and means to excel in the media space. It made them as a pa I wonder more for me video a feature on your program very nice, in fact very beautiful. Thank you very much. Nebium Sunamami, my meaning come to Moncranza. On that, I do white go menum hanum eye. At first, on the must say my hairline, or nam comment is na Baba, we me tin my hairline, a quiet children was selling, and then the 8 make to hair growing cream beer is a me use. Na so fix you can see now. My hairline be I come, I fix it, come, 8 me. Person me grow beards, any other I didn't know. I'm still applying the product. It's who say I the white woman anymore a normal. Let's go to the conversation. Ebusabe Kaya. Abra. Kevin Taylor ebe PM ewo Ghana ha no mo. It was alleged say the intel about Ghana and say arrest warrant na edano so no. Ye ba be question the arrest warrant on him no. Every fa ka assembly. Abra ni appointed the new Chief Justice, His Lordship Justice Baffoe Boni. Abra ni man appointed as the new Chief Justice for Matter Ghana no. On say eba Kevin Taylor arrest warrant and I said the bench warrant na edano so no. Ye ko kwashe from the Supreme Court. What I say? Ye ko kwashe from the Supreme Court. That day, me kai me bra Penyah o kata chefa mensa bonsu. Ebe kan say me say adie we na judges na koye no. So mu ko tina say na omo dwene ho a they will know say oma ye mistake and they will bow down their head in shame. Eno na busu ahon pomponso eba no. Nanka esimu sen ana NDC for mo file useless petition. Martin Pebu di munti mind. Useless petitions as a Chief Justice enyina so. Na yemfenyi OSP enfri honomo. And Martin Pebu is someone that you don't have to pay attention to him. So once Martin Pebu any abre OSP so he is looking for his position. Ni bre envy. Ana Martin Pebu edi na NSE OSP so enye bibia. Enye justice you are yourself. Ni bre because already what didn't kind of open up to the people of Ghana and said he's interested in the position of the OSP. Eti Martin Pebu ni any bra bring no. Yenyi OSP in free honomo, yenyi kiseja bin free honomo. Na yen for no measure as OSP. Eti ono na ni bra bring OSP sin nyina just adeba kope. Ono so be show no ODDB asa. Enye mother Ghana be no pay justice asa. But they filed a whole lot of useless petitions against the office of the special prosecutor. Against kiseja bin awe OSP. And office Mensa easy chair. Omo file all sort of useless petitions. I say Mahama and I say Chief Justice Enyinas Mahama Enyinas na one pam OSP ene Mensa. Ama asem no ye go PMO Supreme Court. Na we say otemu for Penyah Ghana ha no mo. His Lordship Justice Baffoe Boni or trans no dey masa. Anyone modia be there. It lacks evidence. Yentimi nyina we so. Emfa nyi Mensa emfiri ho no mo. Ensa mfa nyi influ on OSP kiseja be influ on baseless it was about to go ye no and we say this for say omunti ase omuko kwa pai Emma just say even before I will address Kevin Taylor issue me go hu akwa we or TikTok e kan kwase asem we asema bana ni pe kasa some of you should go and hide monfa mo kwa tete we ne ho tan ne mu nsem kuna ba ku say enya asem na ba Chief Justice nanka yesakura police ni kura na udwane police ni kura usuro kampata bete se ni pe wo lawyer ni lawyer hu se wonam ha kura wonfa ho umane unini kura nkobo nsa ho na wa menya bibi kura emfa ntia wonfa nkogina mra nim. But and politics in Ghana, NDC the bibia politics wo Ghana ha. To the point they say aboa we etimi kasa kire Chief Justice said we dey pen ade a na obi na won ye do ba ye na de wo na the Chief Justice ba ye ayara mo bobo edis bobo adamu ana wo na the Chief Justice ba ye ayara mo yale ana woni school a obekọ even to become a lawyer ayara mo jimi ana empanimfo ne sabe edis empanimfo no muntu full soldiers no emoa wo muntu wo mu fu no mo jimi dodo emponche fa muntu wo mu fu no mo jimi dodo. How can you talk to a whole Chief Justice in this manner? What Abuwa be say? I say sumai. Why you say sumai? Sumai. Wo. When do we say cry? Wo. And your politics anka wo. Wo ye nipa. Wo. And your politics anka wo. Dirty politics anka wo ye nipa. O kasa a whole Chief Justice. Wo. Na ba ye no. Omo penyin ni Kevin Taylor. Kwase ampenyin na ne kon ni ti nyina kan bom no. Onsuya nyansa na enkura di na che suya nyansa. Obetra de show we kan kwase asem.
I would like to say this to the Chief Justice. Chief Justice, I believe that the court can do better. We cannot sit in Ghana, not the case about court. Not a judge will tell the prosecutor, I am adjourning the case for 1 month. Sebio, we are not in the animals kingdom. Sebio, say, oh, a judge na untumi ntina case ho end case no na utumi e call say you are adjourning a case for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then you are not ready to be a judge. I think, with all due respect, there are too many lazy judges in Ghana. And for a very long time, we have allowed some judges in Ghana to get away with murder because at this point, you know, they call cases at their own pace.
Now, Kevin Taylor, when you answer to the point, he say, was say, Judge Bia ni wiase America, or be a journey case to a month. Oh yes, sir. There be a you claim say we ni answer, but we will free. Mami mo nchirimu. The Kenofrata Eco PMO USA Immigration Court. Yam remove. Any de Kenofrata Eco PMO. Ewo Immigration Court. Ya journey the case no to April. From January to April to 27th April 2026. Ana yesi one samada the case never tena so bim. Ya journey the case no to 27th April 2026. Yan calculate January to February, March, April. 3 months. But Kevin Taylor ni mo hwe, woni mra ho hwe. No better than show no so no ke kan kwase asem. Claiming say oba YouTube live or onya nipa 10,000 in the audience say that is enough. Wo your big hey. Nenenka Pastor Elvis S Wanga say alpha hour no Wanga say otimbo 50k Facebook instant no say abo 50k e wo wasa abo 50k e wo YouTube to otimbo 100k a day 50k go Facebook na that same time 50k e go YouTube ono Wanga say oh YouTube ngona timbo 10k Facebook also 2,000 crowd almost 2k that wa buy 1.5 1.7k ba wo ye didi gwa wanum kasa se de Ghana ye wo dia na if an same way na you know Kevin Taylor can fa Chief Justice Ahono eno ana empanifo so kote se aboa ne tiwu nua bi so aka che so le so is ebia ofirinsa no de oba wo so lawyer Maurice Ampaw as a legal practitioner or belonging to the judiciary system and I said or belonging to the judiciary was or your mredim for or your lawyer also on hwe ewom or your MPP need there but on hwe e ma Kevin Taylor we are mo bra bia da we emfa na no emesi Chief Justice Medina tem eje na ono so abe class with na busa we any munchire mu
yes abaku say nim say who judges no date amode ma no go to the records and find out how judges no almost sitting on these high profile political cases no the way they have speed up chairman want to be case no the speed at which the judges are going I thought that she will be applauded. But you come and sit down, stupid, as stupid as you are. We use the word, every time you are so stupid enough. You brought Chairman to this case to demonstrate say the judge is delaying. Why do you want to be unfair to the judge? What about the judge now here? The way the judge is so determined to finish the case, me will be that say a criminal matter within some few days of hearing, no, has come to a stand where some of the case is about. This same, there are so many criminal cases, 2, 3 years, 4, 5 years, it's pending. Pending. What about the Supreme Court cases? Tokonu has filed and is still pending. Even a lot of cases are pending. Among cases they do 1 year, 2 years. Many divorce cases about 3, 4, 5 years. Teller comes here and start doing the agenda, blaming judges for the failure. Listen to me. Our judges, moment to ketemu. The ordinary Ghanaians like me and you. Number 2, Oko school, and your podcast party behind the school. Number 3, lawyers now form judicial almost swear oath to defend the constitution, swear oath to defend the laws of the land. Fidelity is the law. They are there to apply the law. They don't fear who. They are not there to do the bidding of any person. Our judges there cannot be remote controlled by any political party. They swore to do good to all manner of persons. Can we tell her, go and read Article 125? No one says justice belongs to the people. It doesn't belong to the NDC. Stupidity. Who the one doing here, Jumano? Can we tell her what doing in here, Juman? And I'm going wrong on you because we will say Jimmy Abataho, when Jimmy Dodo. So you begin to attack the judiciary just because you think that you have an agenda. Say oral should be jailing people. Stupidity. Who told that anybody can jail anybody if the person is innocent? What I say, Chairman, who to be case who refer to the judge? This is a case, Chairman, to me, I filed a submission of no case, and the judge have given 10th March for ruling. Don't be a judge there. Hey, let me tell her. So what bother now? Don't know how much it takes to do a ruling. Ultra judgment, it is like ultra exams. What can you tell us about one school? Ultra exams are ultra exams. We are brown bread to write one judgment. Do you know what it takes? This is a political high profile case. The judge needs time to look at the details of the case, look at the details of the law. Chairman, to be a fairly 40-page submission of no case. Do you want the judge to just come and throw it out? The issues are, Chairman, to me, lawyers are raising in court. I wait here matters so a legality. So who attorney general who the case at court? Now who told Sekretariat say attorney general has that attorney general complain about any delay? No. The attorney general will applaud the judges who are handling those high-profile political cases because the judges there are being honest and being fair. They are not allowing any delay. They are objection. But Kevitela is there in the public media, preparing the mind of the other Ghanaian, preparing the mind of NDC foot soldiers, preparing the mind of other members that I told you that judges no delay. Now all of a sudden they start monitor this, start dealing with them. Say and this thing will not wash in a democratic state. We will not allow you people to bully the judges. Now, when you take a case to court, tell me who can be your confor? Court, you produce evidence. You produce evidence. Attorney General the case at Vienna court. Who Attorney General now? Who the court? Who charge Obia for criminal offense? Now who do court? Now I know what you may when to me present facts well. When to me put your issues well. When to me advancing your case well. Especially when your witnesses are could not do the do. So without prejudice to say, Chairman, to be case witnesses are court. They are giving hearsay evidence. And away catching me. Assignment of documents. There's no evidence of documentation of assignment. There's no evidence of participation, and the issues as to me lawyers have raised in their submission of case. our judges this time to go through. So nobody should stampede them. And who the case Boniko Kota, the way Justice Bob Bonny looked at the law and look at Prima Facie case, the judges will also look at the law and apply the law. Nobody is afraid of anybody. Leave the judiciary for them to work. And then mukramu abemu mu ya be mukrano mu judges that time MPP mu go for yes say mu a court they trust the system. They are believing the judges to do what is right and what is fair and what is law. The law is the law. More opposition, more judges attempts our opposition, more babemu still. Because I'm not setting judiciary. I confirm with Aba. Appointing more than 60 judges. Aba. And judiciary is in your hands, and you said it's in your pocket. Move to Dokono, Yakaya put in the buy. Judges are appointed. Nobody will to prevent. So if you have brought your own Chief Justice, you have filled the court with your judges, and the opposition is quiet, and the judges are doing the work of the Ghana. So I got trust now. NDC manifesto on the ruling. No, can we tell her? Be warned and stop stampeding the judiciary. We will not tolerate this nonsense. As someone make
lawyer, dear, a woman, as a more prom who was any man who to say, a show mutim say, Yabane dear, a yet day as uncle for be wa, ya bet you motum, ya bet you motum. And I know my dream, Pempi, no my dream, almost say you'll be court. Not now by any power, dear, send pan automatically as you didn't tomb. Sana Kevin Taylor person you. Yes, because of percent on my judges no pressure from a sort now question that still na me control we no me control we no na cases bebre or before chama want to me case so I then I won't listen on oja and that cases no no we end this
a contempt of court.
Yes,
a contempt
one ni mo mara no
only I say
one ni mo mara no
for judges abesi ho. Now who can say judge need delay? Judge is trying to.
Near qualify obi man by a judge.
You
wouldn't him
no.
Omo wakwa mfa so ye omajuma.
Definitely.
And this I won what the social media activist. Ya waduma. Na ja law no man lawyers. Any charges no munyo omajuma.
Your government is in power.
Because one wouldn't him. Would tell the auto who came. I quite say, and my year Juma man DC, and I'm going to make candies in some, and Tinipabio Babia one this man, Yabaman appointment. So I know 1 year Juma said the year foot soldiers near pa. Yabaman pressure, and no Kevin Taylor.
You see, I think you see, Kevin Taylor and NDC want to reduce our judiciary to NDC branch.
I say,
where they think that all the judges all of a sudden should wear NDC spectacles and NDC party color, yeah. and then apply NDC law. It's in once uye NDC no case bapa for 1 day jail, for 2 days jail. Na ye jail anka wu Kevin Taylor jail we. Adwe ba ya no. I don't know why. So ofi onim ofi what for the same. If you are bought by nearly 1 day clear no okay of course we cut clear no for contempt no you see I know dear I know people you can want some
it's not doing
I say you say na you cook arrange man who to me buy na do cut na I want to say a presidential suit bu na you prepare courtroom now buy ya authority wa o call you know it thinks that you see this is are the things at times when you allow people irresponsible people can tell to abuse the legal process. This is what it happens. It's a random court no. Also Buja this no. Of course the way I only contempt by 1 day now. You just I put me 1 day now. You Buja go for 1 day.
And no. What I say? And lawyers is own him. The attorney say on say na NDC a war opposition no. A Kevin Taylor here na adwin so o ye adwuma ama NDC party. na or attack MPP because onya more of issues e ka ho asem but so mo na wo power and woni insem bi obeka ho and he said the Kevin Taylor be to say that way government sectors no CEOs no ene mpayinfo bi ade o matu ano no omo na obebo omo tuja because he was want to go MPP ho asem MPP ni power
that guy Kevin Taylor say buy no from my reliable sources no it was sponsored by the vice president Jane but also Fantini you know you didn't buy it to be able and then they moved him through the system fast they down the contempt now who say mark it on the wall when 2026-27 presidential aspirants the Bible Kevin Taylor will work for Mama Jane. Who says he is attacking as educator or attacking Arudadusu. Obi you tibiano or attacking because Mameno Abuano. I'm a point and it is son of things judiciary should be bottom. What ya butri and I will tell judges say and a delay.
Now open some Maranu be far when I would better Ghana.
No, that's look, Ghana for let me tell you something. Our judges almost so far. Look, our judges are going through a lot of crisis. One, judiciary are paying yet. Number two, they are having problem with issues with security. Our judges no paying and you know. Security is so a problem, a challenge. Sure, judges will be why you change some. Judges will be why you room. But if we reliable information, mean I say judge not take need to be case also. You go change no in Sawamo in Sawam court was see okoma bail and na timafo bu fu ye no omuru ba bura courtroom no and na o balance we have situation where judges say journey fi courtroom okay kumaze de no insecurity is number 2 number 3 crown no judges no carry to speak no cases no crown no adoso do every day people are filing cases and the judges no be yari they are going through a lot of stress. Now, maybe share over dig one case. Even exams, who throw one question. Share brother. Now, also ruling. I ever affect you be that. Now, can be telling him say to imprison somebody, you know. If you are judge, I mean, I say who come the say who do be for who did. You must be very careful. Say the partner who did the for who did no. Emra wa fumra.
Fumana.
And a lot of the say it's better say ube jai 100 people. No go free. Say obey jail one person, innocent person. Only it's better to free 100 people than to jail one innocent person. It is the judges now but you know criminal cases no. As they don't say they have to make sure say who they pronounce you guilty now quite so no backed by the evidence. The evidence too have been proven beyond reasonable doubt. Now everything point to the fact say what bokro no. And the law nature say one jailu no, wa jailu, as I judge be free. It's not easy to just jail people. So because the jailing is taking somebody's freedom. Only so to be jailu be money. Look at what they have done to Agrada. It is not an easy thing. I say who deep unnecessary pressure, top political pressure, my judges no say they are delaying cases. No judge is delaying any cases. The judges are doing their work. Let's allow the work to go on. Let's allow justice to prevail. And Justice Baffoe kudos to the judiciary, kudos to all judges in the country. We are solidly behind you. The agenda of Kevin Taylor and the NDC, not only NDC, but anybody who is disappointed in you. Maybe but second video no they were criticizing the judges. Ebi muti say, or when they say Kwesi Pratt attacking the Chief Justice. What I say, and I say Ketia. Say, hey, there's EC must go by force. No, not by force. And then Brano, Edu. That no, say the law is the law. What's the problem? We are producer.
Chidawaju Mame, Ewa Conversation. I Penyah Block Media.